Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have pictured this here with the song called Get On My Love. This one is a nice feel-good song with lots of voices and chorus singing. So great song and very easy to play and handle as well. So let's start right away. No need for any capo on this one. 3 chords. So we'll cover that now. We'll go with the C first. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the A sharp sus chord here, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 1st fret, crossing all strings there except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom and up like this, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And the final chord will be F. So we're staying there with the bar on the 1st fret, this time over all strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So there you have the 3 chords, C, A sharp, F, and the chord progression will be almost like that, C, A sharp, F, and you land back on C again. So you're starting and ending on C. So C, A sharp, F, C, C, A sharp, F, C. That's how it goes through the entire song. All right, so the last thing here is just to find out the strumming pattern here. It's pretty long, and we'll play 1 strumming round per chord. So grab that C. It starts with down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so we can say that is perhaps the first half of it. It's easier to divide it here into 2 parts. So down, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so that's the first half. And the second half will be up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right, so if we connect these 2 parts, or to half of this strumming pattern, so it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So on. All right, so there we have 1 round of the strumming, and we'll play, like I said, 1 round per chord. So with this chord progression, it will be C1, A sharp 1, F1, and C1. Sounds like this. One more round. And that, my friend, is how Picture This, Get On My Love goes through the entire song. So pretty easy, 3 chords, and yeah, give it a try. Until next time, play tuned.